Hello, this is Dal Notch, and I'll be going over my MegaDesk project. So here's the main screen. As you can see, we got the add, search, view all, and exit. These are tabbable as well. So I'll show you exit first to show that it exits the program. Okay, we'll start it back up. We'll go to add quote, and I'll just do a correct quote so you can see the full process. Okay, so here's the full quote. Gives us our name, the width that we entered, 24 inches, 12 inches for depth, 7 drawers, surface area calculates, surface material pulls from here, it's laminate, and it gives you the price for that material. Pulls the delivery method, which is a 3-day delivery, and then it gives you the price for that as well, and then calculates the total price and displays it at the bottom here. And none of this is editable because it's all pulling from the new quote. Okay, so I'll close these out, and then I'm going to show you some validations I have. So first off, if you enter nothing for your first name or last name, it's not going to like that. It's going to give you a red background. So you do have to enter something here. Okay, so for width, same thing. If it's empty or if it doesn't meet the requirements, which is 24 to 96 inches. So we'll switch to 24. You can see that it gives you the correct background color, which is white. If you go too low, it doesn't like it. And if you go too high, it doesn't like it. Okay, and for depth, same thing. Too low doesn't work. Too high doesn't work. Also, since this one is the key down, if we enter like A, it doesn't like it because it's supposed to be a number. Drawers is a numeric up down, so you can see it doesn't go lower than 0, doesn't go higher than 7. Surface material, it's the list here. Defaults to pine, pick any of these. Delivery method also defaults to the default, which is 14 days. So you can just select 5-day. And then as you can see, there's the quote for that. And yeah, I think that about does it for where I'm at currently in the project. I haven't added a whole lot of, flashiness or styling to it just because we're so early in the development. I just want to get all the functionality working. So that about sums it up. Thank you for watching.